Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hindu Analysis. Today, we are diving into the recent political developments in three key states, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh. The BJP seems to have played its cards right, clinching victories and consolidating its position in the Hindi heartland. Now, breaking it down state by state, in Rajasthan, the BJP secured 115 out of 199 seats, a significant win. Meanwhile, in Madhya Pradesh, they dominated with 164 out of 230 seats, and in Chhattisgarh, they took 54 out of 90 seats. These numbers give the BJP a strong hand in shaping the government in all three states. Interestingly, the BJP's strategy centered around Prime Minister Narendra Modi sidelining regional leaders. Risky move, considering what happened in Karnataka earlier. But hey, it worked for them this time. The Congress, on the other hand, faced challenges. Ashok Gehlot in Rajasthan fought hard, preventing a complete wipeout, but couldn't secure a win. In Chhattisgarh, allegations of corruption and social engineering missteps hit them hard. Now, the editorial points out some chinks in the Congress armor. It emphasizes the need for more than just social justice and welfare schemes for victory. Things like leadership trust, candidate selection, effective campaigning, and organizational cohesion are crucial. Caste-based politics, particularly Rahul Gandhi's call for a caste census, didn't seem to make a significant impact. The BJP's Hindutva politics resonated more, cutting across caste lines. In Telangana, the Congress pulled off a Karnataka-style playbook, uniting various social groups against the ruling party's feudal regime. It's a win for the Congress, showing a way forward in states where they face regional parties. In the end,